YouTube, welcome back. I'm EasyB. Thanks for watching EasyB Tactical. Like many of you, I like a good suppressor rifle, and I like 300 Blackout. So this is a quick video around my last build, or my latest build I should say. It's been a few months, I just never filmed it. A 300 Blackout rifle that I built, put together, build being a big word, just put together with a lot of leftover parts. This is my latest build, a 300 Blackout mismatch made out of a bunch of stuff. So ignore this story for now, but let's go from stock to front to muzzle, barrel I should say. This is a BCM, I believe a Mod 0 stock. Not my favorite, but it came with a kit that I got from BCM, and I swapped it for a Mod 2, so I had this one laying around. Buffer tube kit, I don't remember, standard mil-spec level items. An old A2 grip, pistol grip, I just filed and trimmed the cutout, you know, the little hand position thing. So I filed this down to be a little flatter. I once ago, a while ago, I bought 2 lowers from Anderson Manufacturing. So this is one of the Anderson Manufacturing lower that I always lay around. I know it's not the best quality, it's not a high brand or anything like that, but they've been working pretty good, and I only had 2 of them. One is on another build, this one was the remaining one. Strike Industries controls, mag release, slide release, 45 to 90 degree ambidextrous safety selector, because I do like a good ambidextrous safety selector. Upper and hand guards are from Strike Industries, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry, Midwest Industries. Midwest Industries, if I'm not mistaken. And the barrel, I don't remember where I got it from or how long it is, but I want to say it's maybe 7 or 9 inch barrel. Very short anyway. Gas tube block, I don't remember, but I usually don't scamp on barrels and gas tube. Sorry, gas block. I buy either mil-spec or better than mil-spec. So 300 Blackout caliber, as I mentioned, and I outfitted this with a suppressor from Radical Firearms, which is a 7.62 suppressor. Nothing fancy. It's quite long. It's a little heavy, but this thing is smooth. When you shoot this rifle, it looks like it's a train on tracks. It just like, it acts like it's in slow motion. The recoil is like butter. Almost no sound, which I really like. So unfortunately we'll have to wait for another video so I can go back to the range and have footage of it shooting. But this is how short it is without the suppressor, right? So the suppressor is longer than the barrel, or almost just as long as the barrel, a little longer. But yeah, this is my short and sweet. You know, I use Magpul magazines a lot. 300 Blackout. Oh, I did outfit this with a Holosun HS512C, solar powered and battery powered, I believe. The internal, so charging handle is from Tactical Edge arms, and the internal bolt and buffers, some mil-spec product. I forget. Sometimes I buy a lot of unbranded, unmarked Geissele parts. So on the internals, I don't skimp around the internals. Quick intro on this 300 Blackout, nothing fancy, but I'll take it to a range and we'll play with it. Hopefully I can record some good sound. This is always the configuration I like to keep this rifle. So this can pretty much lives and sleeps there all the time. If you have a question around this rifle or any of the parts, post a comment, let me know. Enjoy the videos, look out my other videos, share, and let me know what next build I should make, because I don't have any more leftover parts, but I'm considering building an AR-10, which I never did. I don't have an AR platform in theory. I like old school battle rifles. But anyway, let me know. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.